7 inventions made by people while high. 1. Apple's Macintosh, Steve Jobs and LSD. Steve Jobs openly admitted that LSD played a key role in shaping his creative vision. While he didn't build the Mac while high, he credited psychedelic experiences with expanding his thinking and his focus on human-centered design. Taking LSD was a profound experience. It reinforced my sense of what was important, creating great things. 2. John Pemberton, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola was invented in 1886 by Dr. John Pemberton, a pharmacist who was addicted to morphine due to injuries from the Civil War. While experimenting with coca leaves, which contain cocaine, and cola nuts, a source of caffeine, he created a tonic that originally included actual cocaine. 3. The Terminator, James Cameron. James Cameron was sick with a fever and reportedly on medication and possibly weed, when he dreamed of a metallic skeleton rising from fire. That disturbing hallucination inspired The Terminator, one of the most iconic sci-fi films ever. 4. Xbox concept, Seamus Blackley, wine and weed. Seamus Blackley, the father of Xbox, revealed in interviews that early brainstorming for the Xbox happened over wine and weed sessions with friends. That stoned idea grew into one of the biggest gaming platforms in history. 5. The idea behind Twitter, Jack Dorsey, meditation and microdosing. Jack Dorsey has spoken about how fasting, meditation, and microdosing psychedelics helped him develop a minimalist mindset. That influenced the simple, clean concept of Twitter's character-limited format. 6. Francis Ford Coppola, Apocalypse Now. During the filming and writing of Apocalypse Now, Coppola and some crew members reportedly used hallucinogens and marijuana, which helped shape the film's surreal, chaotic, dreamlike tone. The movie's legendary madness reflects that energy. 7. The discovery of benzene structure, Auguste Kekulé. Kekulé discovered the ring structure of benzene after dreaming of a snake biting its own tail, a symbol often associated with trippy visions. Many believe he was in an altered state or sleep-deprived when the image came to him.